So, good morning, good afternoon. Today we will be learning how to use crestle.ai to do our machine learning developments, specifically if you're using the fast AI library. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start our Jupyter notebook. This is gonna take some time. I mean, a lot of times this could take. So I'm gonna pause the video just a moment and we will get back when it start. You know what? I even gonna start chronometer so we can know how much it's taking. Oh, well, yep. All right. So here we are. It already started. So this is how we're gonna find our notebook the first time we get in, and the commands we're going to need are this ones. Let me see if I can find that with where is that? Oh no, let me find it. I know it's another one, but I can't find it. That was not this one. I believe it's this one, but I'm not really sure. Let me see. No, this isn't either. Oh, where is that, man? Here, this is it. So, these are the commands that we are going to need. Sorry, it's been a while since the last time I was speaking English, so maybe my pronunciation is not good enough. If there is something that I didn't say clearly, please tell me in the comments. And so here in Ubuntu we can just press Ctrl B. So we're gonna press Ctrl Shift B and we execute. The next command we're going to need is cd fast AI, and let me see, here is okay, Ctrl Shift B. Sorry, I know I haven't been saying nothing, but I just waiting for this to finish. And I'm still here. I know this is not a live video like an Instagram live, but I'm here. I'm just waiting for this to finish. Sorry for the silence. So, let me. So, now that we finish with whatever we was doing, and the next thing we're gonna do is activate. No, wait. Before we do it, we need to do something here. You see, the models we're gonna use are in the old folder, and we need to put something here. Ah, here it is. Ah, wait a moment. So again, here is the init.py file that we're going to use in order to import all of these models that we're going to use later, right? So let's do this. First thing that we're gonna do is we are going to put here our notebook file. So I already have the .bri classification file somewhere in here. Here you are. What you're watching here is my local folder. I'm going to start a local Please give me a moment. I'll be back with you in 2 minutes. I'm back. So activate, and we're going to, let me see, here it is. I'm starting a local notebook, and here is the file. Oh, here we started. So this one I got here is a local notebook, and this one I got here is a crestle.ai notebook, right? So what I'm looking for here is the dog breed classification problem, and here is. Yep, exactly this one. All what you're watching here. Okay, it is a local file, but all this was executed in crestle layout, but we're going to execute it again, right? So as you can see, we're going to put this here, new, let me see, here we have, we are copying and pasting everything, and I'm not explaining all this code in this video. What we're doing will be just showing you how to use it. In order to see it, I recommend you watching the Jeremy Howard classes, really good classes. Definitely recommend it. Let me came here. Okay, actually everything that you need is only execute is part of the file, but I'm gonna take the time and I'm gonna show you all of the notebook being executed in order for you to see that this is working. If you wanna watch it until the end, excellent. I think is the best thing you could do, because one of the things that I need to do is, for example, download this data. In here I also created the submission file that you can see here, but I already submitted, so I'm just gonna create it. I'm not gonna submit it again, but it's good for you to see how it is created, I guess. Again, I'm not really sure if I'm being clear enough with my English. If I'm not being clear enough, please tell me in my comments, and you can ask me whatever you need. I'll be pleased to answer you. really hope you're not bored watching me just copying and pasting all of this. Because one of the things that I need to do is show you how to do the init .py file, but first I want to show you, I want to copy and paste everything, just I don't forget about doing something later. Then it's been a really long time since the last time I spoke in English. I really need some more practice. Okay. And done. Okay, so again with the init.py file, so what we're going to do is we're going to import this. As you can see, for example, I'm importing it from all.fastai.transform, right? So aquí all.fastai. I mean doc, sorry, all.fastai.init .py. I want to show you this. For example, what we're going to create is something like this. You see? This is how you import the models to the init.py, and then from the notebook itself you import the models from the init.py. So let's do it. We need something like this in here, but what we're going to import is, let's come here, here we need let me see, we need transfer, learner, model, dataset, AGDR, and blocks. We can do this. And here honestly, you should already take everything in here. Here, you see, you should already import everything, but in this case I'm just gonna import those I need for the dog breed classification problem. So yeah, just gonna use this. Control S and we save. Now I can close this, and we need another one. We already got one, and we already got one init.py, but we need another in here, because as you can see, we are importing from all, right? So this is the model that we're going to import, right? In this folder FastAI there is the init.py that we just created, but we need another in the old folder, right? As I told you, this is here are the models that we're going to import. Here is the init.py that we are going to use, and we need another in here. So let's create it. init.py. here we're going to from okay, this is another thing I forget to tell you. When you create a init.py, it's like the init.py take the name from the folder. So when we are referring to this init.py, we actually are referring to the fast.ai folder, right? Because the init.py takes the name from the folder that is containing it. I really hope I say that correctly. So fast.ai import everything. Now we just need this piece of owl. So and yeah, we're ready. I'm going to close the local file so you can see that I'm executing the correct one. To be sure I'm executing the correct one. Right, so let's stop this and also let's shut down this. Yeah, okay, this is the notebook from crestle.ai, and let's do it. And here we're gonna see if we did it correctly. Okay. It look like something failed. It said we ain't got the CV2 file. Okay, I forgot. I haven't initiated the conda environment. So yeah, let's come here. As you can see, I haven't initiated the conda environment. So let's activate it. Activate is not initiate, it's activate. We need to activate the fast.ai environment, and it should work now. Okay, what's wrong? Honestly, I don't know. Let's close this and let's see what we can do. Let's shut it down. Yeah, let's shut it down. There is something I'm missing. Let me see. From the activate. No, that should already work. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, we already activated this one. Let's see files and fast.ai. Okay. Fast.ai. This is the one I'm using. Let me put a name on this. Dot read classification. Let's try to use it again. Let's import this. Oh, hell no. What's wrong, baby? Okay. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna analyze what's wrong with this. Just give me a moment. So I think I already fixed it. It took me a while, so here's how I did it. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to download the data. In order to do that, we're gonna there's a good video where you explain it better than I will do it, so let me show you. Following these instructions, well, let's do it. I will do it with you.
Store data from Kaggle.
Let me a little further. Okay. Big install Kaggle. And notice that when I'm doing this, I'm inside the environment. So every time I'm gonna use the Kaggle API, I will need to activate the environment.
Kaggle.com. Go to your account settings page on Kaggle.
And I already did this, so okay, but let me see if I can do it again. Kaggle. It's a little slow, my internet. Let me close all of this. Okay, let me. Okay, alright. My internet is a little slow. We're gonna pause here while I. Here we are, and my account.
Scroll down to the API section and click on Create New API.
Okay, so let me show you something.
The item. This token needs to be moved to a specific location. First, we create a directory .kaggle in the home folder. Then, we move the downloaded file to the .kaggle directory.
So let's do this part. Mkdir, and how do I do symbol? Oh, let's see. No, maybe here. No. Oh fuck! How do I do the part? And okay, let's do it like this. Chicago. Alright, so now I need to wait, where am I? Okay. I'm going to okay, I need to download this file. You see? Here is okay. About this theme, this called let me see if I can find curl for Google Chrome. Here, so every time you are going to download something through your own PC, and this will generate the core code that you need in order to download directly to crestle.ai, right? Because if you try to download and then upload, it's gonna take a lot. So here we paste and then we download. Okay, what the fuck? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Now let me Kaggle.json, and then that Kaggle. Okay.
Now we come to the competitions page and go to the rules section.
Okay. And in our case, I'm trying to do the dog breed classification problem. You need to accept the rules of the competition, So I already accept the rules, but if you want to download the data, first you need to, okay, here will be a button that you need to make click on. I already made it, so you don't see the button. Now we can come here to data, we can copy this, or I want you to see some, oh no, okay. You can do it both ways. You can click download all and it will generate the code that we will take here, right? Or you can use this and with the API that we just installed, download the data. So let's do it with the API. And we go to data, and here dot breed data, and here we paste and we download data. What's wrong here? What the fuck? Can gonna be read by our. Oh fuck it. Let's use the other way. So we download, close here, and here we have the data. So we just copy all of this. Now I'm a little. I haven't made my mind. I should have show you how to use the API, but you can watch it later. So now we got the data that we need. Next thing we need to do is unseek the data. Let's see. Yep. Let me see. Now we should have this zip train dot zip. And let's unzip this dot zip. Ready? We should be able to complete this exercise. So we already import everything we need. Now let's see if we can get the data. Yep. And something I want you to notice is that, for example, this architecture that was imported from one of these models, I'm not sure which one, and we was able to import it, which possibly means that everything is working fine. Now, okay, what's wrong now? And okay. I want to see something. Home data. Why is this like this? Okay, look. Here's a mistake. Let's execute this again. No files label. That's weird. Let me see. Yeah, here's the labels file. Which one? Let's see what happened. No such file as home. Are you sure? Cannot access. Okay, I already see what happened. You see? Now it's working fine. Okay. Hey, look, this is working fine. It looks like this is working fine. Yep. Erect the data. Working fine. Everything seems okay. If you don't remember all this, it is in the lesson 2 and lesson 3 of Deep Learning course, part 1 of Jeremy Hardware. Well, if you hear, it means you already know what I'm talking about. Okay, this is gonna take a this one is gonna take a little, so I'm gonna put this here. Put this here. I'm going to put this here. I'm gonna pass this. You should execute all of this, and after it finished, I'm gonna show you how long it took. Right? So see you in, well, I don't know, but see you later. This is one of failure I wanted to talk to you about. So as you can see, it is not finding the architecture, right? So let's download. Fast time. Let's see, where is it? Ah, here it is.
Señor Andrés.
Hola. ¿Quieren comer?
Señor.
Lewin también quiere comer. Lewin. Ah, ya.
Let's copy it. And fast IO. And right here we download. Oh, damn, that was done. And here am I. die is right here, right? Let me see something. Oh, let me see. No, here. OL right. Fastai O Fastai. Fastai O Fastai, and right here there should be a folder named Wakes. Yep. Just download here. Okay, now let's see. Now let me see how can I unzip this type of file. So now here we have, this was the command I used. Now we can delete this one and duplicate, rename, and this baby should work. Let's see. Yep, it's working. So see you later. If something important that I consider that I should tell you about, then I will continue the video. If that's not the case, I show you all the result at the end. Of course, you should execute all the cells yourself. And here you can see the result. So everything's working fine. Okay. Right. Where is it? What is it? I can see. Ahorita. Oh, okay. I gotta download the file. Okay. You already get it. See you later.